Hi everyone, I am Kissy. I'm your math tutor at Skillpumper. Today we're going to dive into something super useful in everyday life, the percentage, base, and rate. So whether you're shopping for discounts, calculating tips, or solving math problems, understanding percentages makes life so much easier. So here are the formula for the percentage, base, and rate. So first example is what is 40% of 80? So, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung base. Ang formula natin for base is percentage over rate. Okay? So, P is equals to R times B. So, 40%, i-convert natin siya, yung 40% that is equal to 0.40. And so 0.40 times 80. That is 32. So our base is 32. Here is another example. We have 15 is what percent of 50? So percent and 15. So 15 P and this is R and this is the B. So base is the larger number. So our formula for rate is P divided by base or percentage divided by base. So rate equals to P over base. So our percentage here is 15 divided by 50. 0.3%. Okay. Another example, if 25% of a number is 50, what is the number? Okay, we have 25%. So kapag meron siyang percent sign, that is the rate. And 50, so of a number is 50. So 50, this is the percentage. What is the number? So, ang hinahanap dito ay base. So, ano ba yung formula natin for base? So, we have percentage divided by rate. So base is equal to percentage over rate. So, our percentage here is 50. And 25% or 0.25. And that is 50 divided by 0.25 is 200. Okay, we're done. If you find this video helpful, why not sharing with your friends or family? See you next time!